Alright, we shifted focus because of these pictures coming in to tell our viewers of the Prime Minister at this point in time who's just arrived in Maldives. Take a look. Pictures are live on your screens. The Prime Minister who's just reached Maldives. The Prime Minister, remember, was on a 2-day visit and the first state visit really under President Mohammad Muizzu. Key agendas including economic partnerships, development projects, and this visit obviously aims to strengthen the ties amidst shifting geopolitical dynamics and also the fact that things had not been okay with Maldives for a while now. It's in that sense a reset in diplomatic ties is what we are looking at. Prime Minister Modi in Maldives and has reached Maldives as we speak. We'll put those pictures out. Once again, he is on a 2-day state visit to the island nation on the invitation of the Maldivian president. He's arrived at the Vellana International Airport already. He is going to be the guest of honor at the 60th Independence Day celebrations in Maldives on the 26th of July, which is tomorrow. Prime Minister Modi in Malé. This is an important visit of Prime Minister Narendra Modi. He's arrived at the Vellana International Airport. Pictures are in fact from a few moments ago when he was welcomed at the airport. All right. I'm going to go now straight across to Nahuda Affairs, who is joining us from Malé at this point in time. Thank you for your time. I want to begin by asking you, this is a significant visit of Prime Minister Narendra Modi. It comes, as we'd seen, tensions, in fact, between both the nations increasing. And in that sense, it's a reset really, isn't it, in diplomatic ties between both the countries.
Thank you for having me. Good morning from the capital city of Maldives, Malé. Yes, just a few minutes ago, Prime Minister Mr. Narendra Modi has landed at Vellana International Airport. Like you said, it's a significant trip marking the 60th Independence Day of Maldives. As you mentioned, initially the ties between India and Maldives at the beginning of this administration, especially when President Muizzu took office, was a sort of moving forward with some sort of tension.